Good morning. It's Sunday, February 18th. Just give you a brief update of what's going on for week number 5. If you click number 5 or week number 5, you will notice that you have Mod C, which is finance, and we'll come back to this page and talk about your written report in a minute. But for finances, you have assignment 11, which is simple interest, and assignment 12, which is compound interest. What I'd like to show you, if I can get up on the screen, I would like to do the image, and what you see in front of you is the simple image for simple interest. The formula is up on top, and if you notice, I equals P times R times T. I is the interest, A is the end amount, the principal plus your interest that you're getting. PO is the principal, so that's the starting amount that you are starting with. So if you were starting with 20,000 or 5,000, that would be your principal O. R is your interest rate in decimal form. So when you're multiplying, put it in parentheses, and if you're getting 5% interest, you go to say 0.05 and close your parentheses and multiply. And T is the time, the amount that it is being demonstrated. Let me see whether or not I can capture the other image. And that is your compound interest. So if you look carefully, that formula is a little different. So P N is equal to PO in parentheses 1 plus R over K, close your parentheses, and on the outside N K. So you need to keep in mind, do what's in parentheses first, order of operation. But PN is the balance after the number of years. PO is the starting balance on the account, which is your initial deposit and or principal. I'm trying to make this as simple as possible for you. R is the annual interest rate, again in decimal form, and K is the number of compounding periods in 1 year. Underneath that, I'm explaining to you that if your problem is saying compounding annually, that is once a year, so K is equal to 1. If they're compounding quarterly, that would be 4. And compounding is done monthly, that would be over 12 months. And compounding daily is 365. So that's your formula for compounding interest, which can be problemsome. But if you have a problem, that's okay. We'll come back to that and send me an email. However, what I'd like for you to do is remember also you have, and let's go back up to week 5, and what's due this week on Wednesday is your topic selection. So if you click that, you will notice that all you need to do is give me a brief summary of what your research topic will be about. You can either put that in a Word document and upload it, or you can write it here and submit it through Blackboard. If you're interested in doing a digital story, click on Blackboard with the digital story and let me know, and I will guide you and get you to do some of that interesting work instead of a research. You do have that option, and I do have links on Blackboard to help you guide through that digital story process. I hope you find that helpful. Have a great week. Again, if you have any problems, please don't hesitate to email me. Have a great week. Bye-bye now.